welcome. Yeah, picking up from where I stopped last, in today's video, I want to show you how to make use of spinner control buttons to automate calculation of your budget, automate calculation of probably purchase item you have. The video is going to be useful to those who have many maths or who on their own has uh, an event to plan and event has budgeting, financial budgets to calculate on. So just move with me as I show you how to do this. So on my Excel worksheet, my worksheet here, I have a list of December items I want to purchase. Let's say I'm just using this as an example. And in my list, I have, I think, 20 items. 20 items, okay? And on my own, I have gone to find estimation of the price per unit. That's the unit price for each of them. Get. So now I have these two columns, the spinner where I'm going to place the spinner button, and then where I'll be uh, getting the count of the items I want. So what I mean here is if I want 2 tubers of yam, it should with the spinner button will help me automate that. Already I have my what? I have my unit price. And mind you, I have already calculated on my own. If you look into my formula bar, I have already done a mathematical expression or calculations around it. And it's going to be, what you see here is E3. What's my E3? That's the unit price multiplied by the counts. That's multiplied by the number of items I want. If I want 2 tubers of yam, it means 2 times 3,000. You understand? And then after doing that, I had to autofill down. So all this column automatically has been calculated. So now, what I want to insert here is my what spinner bar or spinner button. So it can help me automate this. So work with me. The first thing I'm going to do now is I will select this row, the whole of this row, to row 20, and I'll right click, having it selected, right click on it. I go to row height. Let me give it automatic row height. Let me call it 41. Let's say 42. Automatic row height. I press enter. So having given it an automatic row height, next thing I'm going to do is what to insert my what spinner button on spinner button control. That is going to be helping me toggle the counts. So where I have to get this is from developer tab here. So please, if you don't have your developer tab on your ribbon, on your Excel ribbon, to get that done, navigate to file, on your file, go to more options, go to more, sorry, on more, go to options, and then customize ribbon, click on customize ribbon. When you do that, you will find yours here. Mine is already toggled on. My developer is here. That is why it's ticked here. It's already toggled on here. So if you don't have yours here, find it here, and when you click on anyone, you can add. You get when you click on, if you find your developer here, just click on it and add it. It will come over here and you say okay. So but mine is already toggled on, so that is why I'm not going to say okay. So I'll click cancel. So now having my developer tab, it gives you features, a lot of features to do here, a lot of things you can do. So now on my developer tab, I've clicked on it. Next thing I'm going to do is what to insert. Click on insert. Then search for what? This button here. It's called spin button. Click on it. And what you're going to do, insert it here. Exactly. Having it inserted, what you're going to do is try to do Control D. Control D is duplicate. Duplicating, and I'm trying to what? Insert it in all these rows. Okay? In all these. Let me say I'm going to just insert it up to the 7th. Sorry, I want to align it. I want to align it well. I'm going to just insert it up to the seventh. Okay, Control D, and I'm going to insert it to the seventh, up to the seventh, I think. Yes, and let me just have it up to up to this. So that's what I want you to do. Let me have it up to the 10th, which is sneakers. Let me have it up to the 10th, which is sneakers. Control D. Just do that. Now I have it. Now I have it up to 10th, which is my sneakers. I don't want to keep going down. Get? So it just is okay for you to do this if you want to calculate or make a budget. Okay. And then next thing I'm going to do now is next step is to make sure you link these spinner buttons to the cells you want it to be working on. So this is the first one. Right click on it. When you right click, scroll to format control and click on it. When you click on format control, see this. See where it's telling you cell link. Click into it and what? Link it. So the first spinner button is going to be linked to column D3. Okay? And you say okay. Do the same, repeat this same thing. Repeat this same thing. Right click, click on this, link it to what? Cell D4. Okay? And click OK. Repeat the same thing for all the rest of all the items you have. Yeah, I'm back. So now I've been able to link all these my spinner buttons to the cell that I want them to be working on. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to show you how this works. To show you how this works. Showing you how this works is going to be, now that I've linked them, once I toggle it on, see what happens. If I want just one tuber of yam, total amount I'm to pay is what? 3,000. With these two tubers, I have 6,000. If I want one bag of rice, 125,000. I don't know how much one bag of rice is now in Nigeria. Okay, so if I want two, 250. Wow. Let's say I want 3 bags of rice. I want to use it and do give Christmas giveaway to people in my community. 3 bags of rice. That's 375,000 naira. 4 bags, 500,000. Wow. Before in Nigeria, 4 bags of rice was less than 100,000 naira. Okay, groundnut oil. I can remember one. What I mean the groundnut oil is that the 25 liters, the yellow gallon. If I want one, 98,296. So I want PS4 gamepad, 18,000. I want two, so that I can be able to play with my siblings when I travel for Christmas. I want a mouse. I want two. This is what happens. I want a pack or like that's 12. That's a dozen. Yes, 2, 4. I want it. I want backpack. I want two. Okay. Energy bulbs. I just want like 6, half dozen, 3, 6. Uh, then Christmas chicken. I want 2 Christmas fowls. And sneakers. I want to. Okay, I didn't. I think I didn't do this. Okay, I want 2 sneakers, 50,000. And that is it. That is how this works for you. Automatically, if you decrease it, it automatically decreases. Whatever you do, and that is how the spinner button helps you to automate and count and make your budgets just with an easy click. So if you like this video, find this video educative, please don't forget to like and share. Thank you.